Hi guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Facebook user location. So first of all, we will go into the Facebook mobile application. And after that, on the search bar, I will just type a name which I want to search. Okay, so basically I choose the name Rahul. And you have to go into the people. And here on the top right side corner, there is a filter button. You have to just click on there and you will here get option. Click on the city. And I want to choose that London. Okay, so I will choose London and I will click on the show results. So these are the peoples with the name of Rahul. So these are the peoples who live in London. Okay, so this is how you can find the Facebook user location. So I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe our channel, press the bell icon for the latest notification. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.